Indian Railways has cancelled all regular train tickets booked for travel till June 30th. The Indian Railways has announced that the trains have been cancelled and full refunds will be issued to all passengers who had booked tickets for travel in these special trains. It is important to note that Railways will continue to run the special trains which commenced from May 12th and Shramik special trains which started since May 1st. Shramik special trains are taking migrant laborers from different states to their home states, while the special trains are running on 15 routes to ferry stranded Indians across the country. On May 12, Indian Railways had started 15 special trains in the ongoing lockdown with an aim to gradually resume the train services in India that are a lifeline for transport and communication in the country. The tickets of regular trains, which are being cancelled, were booked during the lockdown period when the Railways was allowing bookings for journeys in June. Regular mail, express, passenger and suburban services of the Railways had been suspended from March 25 due to the coronavirus-triggered lockdown. On the first day of bookings on IRCTC, the Indian Railways had booked tickets for 80,000 passengers, earning a staggering amount of 16 crore. Railway Board on Wednesday issued an order introducing the provision of waiting lists starting May 22 for journeys not only on its presently operational special trains but also on all its forthcoming services. In the order, Railways also capped the waiting list on these trains, up to 100 for AC 3-tier, 50 for AC 2-tier, 200 for sleeper class, 100 for chair cars, and 20 each for first AC and executive class.